Hi, Michael Downey here from ERA Downey McCarthy, and welcome to number 17 The Rise. First we have the spacious hallway, which has great light thanks to a window here on the landing, and we've got doorways leading off to all rooms. And first we have the dining room and the living room. This is a super open plan area. We've got fabulous double doors here allowing the light in, and we've one window overlooking the front, and we've got patio doors leading out to a sunroom stroke conservatory at the back. It's a really spacious living room. We've got these lovely patio doors leading out to the sunroom, and this leads on to the main feature of the house. Actually is a fantastic mature south-facing garden. It's one of the best features of living in the Rise. Next we come into the kitchen dining. This room is quite spacious. Got a large window overlooking the back, plenty of room for dining, and we've got another doorway here allowing access to the utility area off the back. So we have one more room on the ground floor, which is a converted garage, which at the moment is acting as a bedroom, a ground floor bedroom with an ensuite bathroom. If you want to follow me. So this could ideally be a study, a playroom, office. There's a number of features one could use depending on the family's needs at the time, and it also could serve as a downstairs bedroom if so required. Next we go to the first floor, and we'll just go up the stairs. We've got a super landing here actually, really bright and spacious, and this leads to all bedrooms. Bedroom 1 and 2 are over on this side. This room overlooks the back, fine spacious double room with large built-in wardrobes. This is probably the largest bedroom. Bedroom number 1 also has spacious wardrobes, and one large window overlooks the front. And then we come to bedroom number 3. Bed number 3 is another double room. Again, built-in bedroom wardrobes and a window overlooking the front. And finally, bedroom number 4. It's another spacious room. It's got a large window overlooking the back garden and a fine built-in wardrobe. This room would actually be another double room if you required it. And finally we have the bathroom. The main bathroom is situated here on the first floor, and it's fully tiled, very well presented. So that's number 17 The Rise. It's a super 4-bed semi in a fantastic mature location. It's most sought after address being within easy reach of the CUH, Wilton Shopping Centre, CIT and all major routes around Cork City. Definitely a must to view. Thank you.